Be honest. How many times have you reheated last night's dinner in the microwave because you're too tired to cook? How many times have you said, "It's fine, I'll just warm it up. Nothing will happen"? Well, what if I told you that one of the most common foods in your fridge becomes dangerous when reheated? And almost every household does this without knowing. Today, I'm going to reveal the one everyday food you should never reheat in the microwave, why it can turn harmful, and what to do instead. And trust me, once you learn this, you'll never look at leftovers the same way again. Imagine this. You come home tired. You open the fridge. You pull out yesterday's rice, scoop it into a bowl, microwave it, and eat. Simple, right? But here's the scary truth. Reheated rice, especially in the microwave, can trigger a hidden toxin that doesn't die even if the rice is steaming hot. And most people have no idea. The hidden danger inside reheated rice. Rice can contain a bacteria called Bacillus cereus. It's harmless when cooked fresh. But if rice sits out too long, that bacteria produces a heat-resistant toxin. And here comes the part most people don't expect. Microwaving the rice does not destroy the toxin. You can't see it, smell it, or taste it. But your body definitely notices it. This toxin is known for causing severe stomach pain, vomiting, diarrhea, food poisoning that hits fast, sometimes within 1 hour. This is why doctors call it fried rice syndrome. And yes, it happens in real life. People end up in hospitals because they reheated leftover rice incorrectly. Why the microwave makes it worse. When rice is reheated in the microwave, the heat is uneven, cold pockets remain. It doesn't kill the bacteria. And it definitely doesn't kill the toxin. So you think you're sterilizing the rice? But you're actually heating up toxins that your stomach is about to deal with. The real mistake people make. The danger doesn't come from reheating alone. The real problem is this. Most people leave cooked rice at room temperature for too long before refrigerating it. Once the bacteria starts producing toxins, reheating does nothing. So the key is not the microwave. The key is how you store your rice. How to eat leftover rice safely. Here's what food safety experts recommend. Refrigerate rice within 1 hour of cooking. Store it in a shallow container so it cools quickly. Eat it within 24 hours. When reheating, heat it thoroughly, not just warm. But the safest option? Avoid microwaving. Use a stove or steamer instead. Do this and you won't have to worry. Final takeaway for anyone 40 once. Millions of people, especially busy women, microwave rice without knowing the risk. And if you've been doing this for years, it's not your fault. Nobody talks about it. But now you know. If this helped you, tap follow and subscribe, because in my next video, I'll expose another everyday kitchen habit that almost everyone does. And it's even more dangerous than this one. You won't want to miss it.